Connected to the kitchen was another space that we made some similar changes to elevate it. But how would you describe that pantry office space we had?
Well, I think that's one of the spaces we got really creative with because like I said, I wanted the luxury with the marble. I wanted the reading. What's very trendy these days is those back kitchens, those back pantries where you have a sink in there. It's not just a pantry anymore where you open up the door and it's just shelving. It's a kind of a whole experience back there. It's what we called from,
We had to look
Scullery.
up. We tried to be fancy. And
we got back from Europe and we were like,
we got back from Europe, I
let's
think.
name all of our rooms something
What's
very
the
European.
back kitchen called? It's called the scullery.
Scullery. And you had to have the accent. You couldn't just say it's the scullery. You had to say the scullery. And even our kids were saying it.
So a couple of things were going on with this scullery or side pantry kitchen thing we had going on. We were trying to transition two spaces. What a great opportunity to be able to close off the old pantry and hide everything, let it stay messy, but close the door, but invest in a new space for a presentation-worthy pantry.
We changed and we took out the fireplace over here and we added a full wall of storage. We have the sliding doors. Over here, we took out the desk and we added more storage. These big drawers are amazing. I had my shelves right here that were going to be beautiful for display. And then this is our little butler's pantry here. So it was great for our coffee maker, keeping that out of the kitchen. So we could have all of the appliances and things here. We changed the faucet to gold. This was such a space here. And it definitely lived up to its name, being the scullery. Hey friends, did you love our new video today? Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any Brommer moments.